Section from zero to hero in AI-powered video creation with InVideo AI, duration 3 to 4 minutes. Want to make professional quality videos in minutes without needing any editing skills? Welcome to the world of InVideo AI, where creating captivating videos is as easy as a few clicks. Let's dive into how you can go from zero to hero in AI-powered video creation.
Hey everyone! If you're looking to create stunning videos for social media, YouTube, ads, or even just for fun, InVideo AI is the tool for you. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to create a professional video, all powered by AI. No complex editing software, no design degree needed. Ready? Let's go.
First up, script to video. This feature lets you turn a simple text script into a fully edited video. Just type or paste your script into the editor, and InVideo's AI will automatically suggest images, video clips, and animations to match your words. It's like having a video editor in your pocket. With one click, InVideo generates a storyboard, picking out visuals that bring your message to life. You can even adjust the clips, change colors, and add your own music.
Alright, now that we have a basic video, let's customize it. InVideo AI offers smart suggestions to enhance your visuals. You'll get recommended transitions, animations, and even soundtracks based on the mood of your video.
Want a cinematic feel? Or maybe something upbeat for social media? InVideo's AI has you covered, suggesting edits that make your video stand out. No editing experience required.
If you're camera shy or just want a professional voiceover, InVideo AI's text-to-speech feature can help. Just type in your narration, pick from a variety of voices, and the AI generates a realistic voiceover.